What is up? It's Elite77 back at it again with my newest video. Nerf Gun Stereotypes. I hope this is my best video yet, but let's see it.
The not so good spy.
Alright, we're going to attack from the north side, go to the south. Yep. Hey!
The bad shot.
Oh, a bullet. A bow. I'm gonna hit you in the head. See you.
Help me!
Wanna die?
Please don't kill me.
Can you believe?
Miss Anger Issues. Help you. Logan, go out. Help me!
The pistol guy and the gun stealer.
I'm the pistol guy. I got all the pistols. I shoot everybody and hit them all the time. I'm the pistol guy. I'm the pistol guy. Hit them every time. I'll win every battle. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. 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 Yeah.
I'm the gun stealer.
The singer.
All I do is win, 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 no matter what. Got money on my mind, I can never get enough. And when you stop in the field, and everybody's hands go up. And they say, hey, you go down.
Okay, I hope you liked that video. Go like that, subscribe, and check out my videos. I'm gonna start to post more frequently. So yeah, go watch my other videos, and I hope you like this. Comment your favorite person out of all those. My favorite was probably the singer and the person that came up and my sister coming up to me and shooting me. But yeah, go subscribe. See you later.